In today's video, I got a type of headphone that particular I never used before. We have here the Emeet AirFlow open ear headphone that doesn't go inside your ear but made to be outside. We're gonna quickly check it out, what comes into the box, the features of the AirFlow, the audio quality, the mic quality, and the comfort after using for long periods. Since I never used this type of headphones, stick around on the end of this video where I will share my honest experience and for who I think these headphones will be more useful. Hello, my name is Rodrigo and welcome to another video. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to like this video if this is a very cool video and informative for you. And if you like any contents on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell for notifications of future videos that will come out on this channel. Okay, so inside the box of the AirFlow Emeet headphones, you're gonna see that it comes with a nice manual for your instructions as well. Will also come with a short USB-C to USB-A cable for charging your headphone case. Also, they include little tips right here that you can put in the back of your headphone for more comfortable when you use outside. And right here we have also a pouch that like a very nice pouch that you can put the case inside as well for protection, and the case itself with the earbuds inside the case with the boom arm mic attachable here too, and rechargeable battery. The case comes with a USB-C in the back, so you can charge your case as well and your headphones, and everything is really nice and organized in a very lightweight case. And also with this package, we have also a USB-A Bluetooth dongle for your wireless connections to your PC, laptop, or any other device that you want to be connected to it. One of the very nice additions to this headphone is also they come with the mic boom detachable part of the headphone, which you can connect it to either side for your flexibility, which will improve your sound quality pretty nice, and I will go ahead and test it out later in this video as well. Another also cool thing on this headset as well is the case that offers you UV-C sterilization for when you're using this headphone and put it back on the cage. It does sterilize for you for the next time you're using, which is a very nice feature that I haven't seen in any case so far in the headphone. You can either plug it in on the case and automatically activate the sterilization, or you can press the button as well right on the front of the case, holding up for 2 seconds, and it will blink a little X with the purple color saying and actually telling you that is actually sterilization is on, so it can clean up your headphone as well. Also come with the dongle for wireless connection, which is very nice in case you can connect it with the dongle via wireless on your PC, or also Bluetooth without the dongle, but actually you will get more stable connection if you use the dongle to your PC. Also, it comes with the IPX rating, which it does offer you some kind of protection while you're running or walking outside in a light rain, and also offer 8 hours of battery life with a single charge. And the weight of those headphones are very light. They are very light as well on your hand and in your ears. It's about 8.6 grams a weight on this headphone, which is really nice. That means that you probably not gonna be feel wearing for the most time, which is all the whole point is to make you comfortable and be able to use any occasion that you needed to use it for. Now, talking about how comfortable these headphones are with me, they are pretty actually well comfortable when you're using those headphones, even with the head like this. When you use it with the head or glasses, it does go over, so it doesn't really feel like a bothering much. I have been using this for quite a long time and testing it out, and actually I didn't feel any discomfortable on these headphones at all, because this is not going inside your ear, so it's very good that you won't have a ear fatigue with the headphones for using for a long time. Also, when you plug it into your ear, you hear a noise saying that it's connected, which is a really nice addition to. Also, every time you touch for any sort of commands to the headphone, it will actually let you know that you're touching. So all those features are very nice in this headphone, let you know that you are toggle some features, or when you take them out or put it in, you have a little alert saying that you are doing something with the headphones, so which is really nice. Now, talking about using these headphones for sports or maybe cycling or running, I think this is a great kind of headphones to use it. One, because you are aware about your surrounding, no matter what you're going to be using, if it's loud music or not. So that's a great thing. The other thing is also the hooks help a lot to not fall down anywhere, which is some of ones that you put it in your ear could be very dangerous to maybe losing one, especially if you biking, cycling, or mountain bike. This is actually a great feature headphone to be used for. Now, talking about the quality of the audio, these headphones are pretty nice on the mids and highs. It's very nice on those levels of audio quality, but it lacks a little bit on the bass. However, you do feel the bass of music sounds on the headphone, noticeable that doesn't going to bother a lot of people. If you are very more used to a bass kind of headphones and you want a more bass kind of headphone, this is made not for you for two reasons. One, because the style of this headphone is made to be outside your ear, so it doesn't going to really feel the bass of it, because it's meant to be more to use more with the outside sound and with this at the same time. Means that you're not going to be isolated from outside noise while you hear this. So this is a great thing to be using for occasions that you need to listen to your surrounding, also listen to a music, or maybe in a meeting for something, or in your office. So this is more for that occasional. However, the sounds or quality of this headphone for if you want to watching movie on a laptop, or if you wanted to watch a YouTube video or even music, the audio, the bass of those headphones are pretty nice. It's not exaggerated because of the style of the headphone, but it's really nice. I tested out with Netflix, I tested out with Prime, I tested out YouTube videos, and it's pretty nice. It's not that bad at all. So that is not a bad thing. It's just they give you more emphasis to the mids of the sound quality of this microphone and the highs as well, which overall for me is really nice quality for any occasion that you want to use this headphone for. One very important information that I want to tell you as well to how to pair this Bluetooth without the dongle to your PC is that you're probably going to see in the case there's only one button that you can press it, the UV-C sterilization for this headphone here. But you don't see any other button right here that usually some headphones does. So you can press, hold it, so it can be discovered the Bluetooth from the headphone to your PC. Finding out how to do with these headphones, so you have to put both headphones on your case like this. And once you do put the headphones on your case, you have to press the two buttons on the top of the headphones for a few seconds. That's when it's going to send the information to your PC, so you'll be able to capture the Bluetooth and connect it that way. It's a very unique way to do that, but I just want to let you know if you get one of those, so you don't have to look for, and you connect it right there as well. But you also have a USB-A dongle that you can connect the wireless to your PC if you choose so to do that way. All right, so right now you're hearing the sound quality of this microphone through the Bluetooth. I'm connecting to my PC right now via Bluetooth, not the dongle. So you can see right here that I have the boom arm that you actually connected to either side. I choose this side so you can look at that I'm connected to it. And also, this is how it's going to sound on the phone call. This is not a professional microphone to be used to record videos, but it's also a good microphone to be using for a Zoom call if you need it, or for any meetings online, or also for a phone call, which is as well pretty nice. This is how it sounds right now. My room is very quiet at this moment. It does have a little bit of noise reduction on this microphone, but it's not something that will help a lot. So be in mind that it's always important to be in a better room with not much noise anyway, especially if you're in a meeting anyway, so you're always going to be in your office. But overall, from inside and apart. This is how it sounds right here. We're gonna test it out outside as well with my mobile phone, so you can have an idea how outside quality does look like. But this is how it sounds here with the headphone connected to your PC using the boom arm as well. Also, you can mute this. And it's unmuted. It's nice thing is that you have a sound, a voice saying mute and unmute when you do that, which is pretty nice as well for so you know that when you mute or not. All right, so right now I'm outside here with the weather is pretty nice and a little bit windy. They have a street right behind me, so you can know how it sounds if you're kind of outside with some noise in the background. This is without the boom arm, so this is how it sounds. All right, now I'm testing now with the boom arm and right here location. It's very windy right now, so I couldn't pick it up a better day to do this. But this is how it sounds with the boom arm if you're talking outside with the background noise on the street right behind me, and also with the weather that we are in with a little bit of wind. So this is how it sounds outside. So another cool feature of these headphones is also they have an app for mobile for Android or iOS for your iPhone, which actually can give you a lot more customization for these headphones as well. I'm here on my iPhone 15 Pro Max right here, and actually I'm using right now the Emeet Tune, which you can find and download for free on any mobile store. And right here, the first thing that you're gonna probably encounter is the it's going to be an update for, I probably cannot see it there, but it's an update, new firmware founded, which is very important to go through it and then just update the firmware. It just tells you what you need to update and all information. The battery level has to be above 20%, and you just have to click update now and let this update your firmware for your headphones, because it's always important to have the latest firmware for bug fixes or for improvement of audio quality and usage as well. Okay, so after you update, you can see the app right here. They have different things that you can do. You can basically have EQ modes for bass, boost, vocal, classic. You can customize one for testing if you want to use this for testing one of the customizations. And when you customize, basically you click right on the test, you're gonna see that you will give you this customization EQ band is very simple, but you can also customize the way you want to hear. I even tested out putting a lot of more bass, but like I say, the type of the headphone doesn't offer you the same kind of bass that if you use those headphones inside your ear. So it's a complete different type of headphones. So definitely you cannot be compared to those things. However, I think it does will please a lot of people if you're not really very pick and bass, but the sound quality overall is very clarity and very high quality. So when you go back here, you're gonna see also on the app that you can have a different controls. You can make those buttons and your headphones do whatever you wanted to do it. Right here is double tap for next, but you can double tap for previous or no action. You also can triple tap for previous, no action, or next. So you can basically customize the way you want for different ways that you want to use this headphone for. Also on a call mode right here, you see they also have customizations as well for to use it on a call mode when you are in a call or maybe in a meeting as well. So this is a really nice app that can let you customize further your Emeet AirFlow headphones. So definitely a pretty nice addition for this type of headphones as well. All right, so my final thoughts about these headphones and my honest opinion is this is my first time using this type of headphones, and I think I really enjoy using this type of headphones because it gives you a freedom of listening to everything around you, and also don't give you ear fatigue because it's not inside your earbud. So I think this is a really nice for office, for Zoom calls, for even listening to music while you're running or cycling, because you can hear everything else around you, but in a nice natural way that you can also listen to the music. The audio quality, I think, is very good for most people, unless you're very finicky about bass. This is a perfect headphone for music as well, and also to listen to any content on the computer, movies or YouTube videos or anything else as well. The pairing situation about this headphone is very easy. I did have no trouble connecting to my laptop PC with a Bluetooth without using the dongle. The dongle I did use as well, which give you extra connectivity. However, you have to go and select it just to make sure that selected the dongle. Now your Bluetooth when you connect it to the PC. The connectivity between PC and your mobile is seamless, but you have to manually connect it. Either choose one or the other. It's not something that like connected both at the same time and it's gonna be working like that. However, it's not a deal breaker for most people. Also, one more cool thing about this headphone is the boom arm microphone that you can attach in either size for your headphone. I think the quality of this mic is really good, and I think this is one of the main features of this headphone. By the way, I don't think there's any headphone out there that does come with this boom mic right here, which improves drastically your sound quality for if you want to call or if you wanted to even, as you can see, record anything on your PC using this mic. And to be honest, I definitely recommended this headphone. I mean, like, the price that you come with, you get a nice case with a UV-C sterilization, which is a big plus. I haven't seen any cases with that, which make always your headphones always clean and sterilized. And you know, with the time, definitely with the inside ear type of headphones, they always come with the nice stuff. With time, is normal for everyone to do that. This one does not give you that problem because it's not inside your ears. So thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it if you stick around all the way to the end. And again, if you want to watch any videos like this, just click on one of those videos out here on the top. And thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.